Hello and thank you for coming to my video. What I've decided to do this time is I've kind of been a bit like stumped on what to do for a video. So I've decided to go, ignore my nose please. Decided to go into what I do for work anyway, and I watch a lot of like Brad Mondo videos, or Mondo, or whatever you want to call it. I watch a lot of his videos anyway, and I find it hilarious like when people are using at-home box dyes, so they're destroying their hair. And me, like Brad, I recommend going to a salon, getting salon colours, etc, etc. But no matter who says what, how many times, you're gonna use box dyes anyway. So I figured, why don't I do experiments on different colours, different products against each other, price, quality, etc, etc, and then you can decide which product you want to go with to use. I have, drumroll please, this is Patricia. Now Patricia is a little bit like worse for wear, so I'll just show you Patricia. Say hi Patricia. Yeah, old hair extensions, please ignore the line. The line is not what we're here for. Today, we are going to test colour removers. No way! Oh, no she didn't. A little piece of hair extension of mine from when I was pink. To be fair, this hair extension has been white blonde, it's been a silver, it's been a grey, it's been faded down from grey, then I put a pink on it, then I did a bit of a lilac on it, and then went back to pink again, so it's had its use. So what I've done is I've put this little bit of blue on the end. Blue is one of the hardest colours to remove. How many? We can see how much of the product each colour remover will remove. So I have 4 colour removers. I got goods. I have pro-voke. Let's hide the thumb on. pro-voke hair colour remover, no added ammonia or bleach. This was $2.99. joBaz hair colour remover. This was $4.99. We have colour before. When I bought this before, has been £10, but I actually got this from Savers for $6.99. We have colourless. This was £10. What I'm going to do is I'm going to split this into 4 sections, and I'll use cheapest this side, most expensive this side, see what the outcome is. So I'm just going to mix all 4 now, read each instruction, see if they're similar or the same or whatever, and then we'll go from there. Peace. Right, I'm back. I have mixed them all. I'm just going to show you the bottles so you can see what we're working with. So this is the pro-voke remover. Then we have the joBaz colour remover, which I don't know if you can see, it is slightly. This is the colour before, which again you can see it's slightly blue. And then the most expensive one is the colourless, which again is the exact same bottle as the other 2. Twisty lid. And this again has a slight blue tint to it. They all say to develop for about 45 to 60 minutes. Some of them just say 60 minutes, so I'm just going to do all for 60 minutes. You're supposed to put like cling film or saran wrap or a clear plastic bag, that kind of thing on it. So I have got cling film. I'm going to section it into 4 sections. Cheapest this side, most expensive this side. I'm going to cling film separately. They all come with their own buffers. Bear in mind this isn't a how-to video, this is a what works best video. So I'm not actually going to show you me washing it off. Please read the instructions and do it as it says. Some of them will say rinse for 5 minutes. If it says rinse for 5 minutes, put a timer on your phone. The thing is with colour removers, they don't lift your hair. They simply remove the colour out of your hair. If you don't rinse enough, the colour won't be removed and it'll re-oxidise once you put another colour on top. If you're going from black and want to go to a brown, if you don't rinse that away, once you put that brown on top, that black will re-oxidise and you'll go back black again. So, section 1, we're going to go, and we're just going to clamp that out of the way. And simply and 2. Number 3 is going to be colour before. And number 4. Most expensive, which is the colourless. What we're going to do now is I'm going to time it for an hour and then we will rinse it off. And we're back. We've rinsed it off. These are for colour removers. I don't know if you can see from the top here where I've mixed it with the product. You can see what colour it was originally. Remember when I said underneath this pink colour was a grey, and greys can be blues, greens, them kind of ashy colours. So that's why when it's removed the pink, it's left this really like green ash kind of looking colour. If we go to the cheapest one, which I think was $2.99, you can see it's took a lot of that pink colour out, which I think is brilliant. You've gone from a light brown to a dark brown, the dark brown's been too dark. If you want to just remove that colour slightly, I would go for the cheaper product. However, if you're looking to remove the whole colour, I would not say it's the best, because as you can see by the blue is still quite bright, which means it's not really touched the blue at all. To be fair, blue is like the hardest colours to remove. Now, if you look at these, this is the joBaz, I think it's called. Then you've got the colour before, and then we've got the colourless. This one was £10, this one was $6.99, this one was $4.99. If you look, they've all pretty much done the same thing. They all feel really, really nice as well. They don't feel any damage or anything like that. Me personally, if we're going on quality of the product plus the cost of the product, I would go for the jo. This one is definitely my winner due to price and quality of the product, because like I said, as you can see, they've all pretty much done the same thing. They've removed quite a lot of the glue off as well. And if you went in for a second go, it would all be a similar-ish colour, where it would be a lot easier to get an all even colour. So there we have it, the jo1 wins the joBaz or something like that, I can't remember. But in my eyes, that's the winner. I've actually never used that product before, so this is the first time me using that one personally. I usually use the colourless or the colour before, because I've always been one of them people where it's you get what you pay for kind of thing, so I would never go for the cheaper one anyway. But after using the £5 one compared to the £10 one, I would definitely go for the £5 one now. But yeah, thank you for watching. If you want more videos like this of me testing products against each other, and I think I might do this again, but with browns rather than your fashion colours like pink and blue, and we'll see how much that removes it. If you'd like to see stuff like that, please subscribe to me, like this video, give me a comment below. Thank you. Bye.